This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Challenger steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a Torx bit set, a ratchet, and a steering wheel puller. Finally, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the current steering wheel is centered before proceeding. Now, let's remove the old steering wheel. Begin by locating the 2 or 3 small retaining clips on the sides of the steering wheel. Carefully unclip them to release the airbag. Gently disconnect the electrical connectors from the airbag module and set it aside in a safe place, facing upwards. Next, use a socket wrench to remove the large center retaining bolt. Finally, use a steering wheel puller to safely detach the old steering wheel from the column. Installing your new steering wheel is straightforward. First, carefully thread the new steering wheel onto the steering column spline, making sure it is perfectly aligned and centered. Reinstall and securely tighten the large center retaining bolt to the manufacturer's recommended torque, typically around 45 foot-pounds. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the new airbag module, ensuring each one clicks firmly into place. Finally, carefully reattach the airbag module by pressing it firmly until the retaining clips engage. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring a secure connection. Start your vehicle and carefully check for any dashboard warning lights, especially the airbag indicator. Test all steering wheel controls, including the horn, cruise control, and audio functions, to confirm they are working correctly. Finally, perform a short test drive to confirm proper steering response and alignment, ensuring everything feels secure and functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.